Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn GitLab CI jobs and stages. So let's start. So in this video we will see some topics like what is jobs in GitLab CI. After that, view jobs in GitLab CI pipeline. Third one, job status in GitLab CI. Fourth one, which keywords we don't use as a job names. After that, group jobs in GitLab CI. Next one, how to hide the jobs in GitLab CI, and we will see stages in the GitLab CI. Okay, so go with the step by step. So first one is what is jobs in the GitLab CI. So job is the smallest unit to run GitLab CI CD. Okay, so what is meant the smallest unit of the job? So let's see one example. When you creating the YAML file, okay. So in that YAML file, main component is our job. Okay. In that job, you have to specify instructions for the GitLab CI/CD, means structure and unlimited number of jobs you have to define. Okay. So how to define this job, we will see in a couple of minutes. Okay. So each jobs must have unique name. We have to give the job name as a unique name. Okay. So here we don't use the keywords. So which keywords we have to use and which keywords we have to don't use. We will see in that point. Okay. After that, when you commit the YAML file to your repository, then runner runs your jobs. Okay, then the job result will display in the pipeline. Okay, so this topic we will cover in second part. Okay, means what? Pipeline arrangement begins with this job. Okay, let's take one example. This one, job one. Okay, this is a unique name we are used, and in that job we are specify this parameter, okay, like a script, and we give the echo as a this is first job. Okay, so let me copy this job and let me also open this browser, and firstly you have to log in with GitLab account and you have to create one repository. Okay, after that I have already created a repository as a GitLab CI job, so click on this. After that, in the left side bar, here code. In that code, you go in the repository. After that, you have to select the branch like main or master branch. I will keep as it is and create the new file. We have to give the file name as a dot dot gitlab-ci.yaml, and after that we have to paste here this job which will be copied from our document. Okay, this one. Paste the job and you have to firstly commit changes. Click on this and you get the message like file has been successfully created. And see the next one, view jobs in GitLab CI pipeline. So you have to go inside that build, in the build pipeline. Go inside it, click on this. And you can see the status of that your job. So go inside that, its status is running now. And you can see the result of your job in that pipeline. Now its result is passed or succeed. Okay, it's a passed. So see here, by selecting individual jobs, you can see its job logs and allows you to this cancel job, retry job, run job again and erase the job log. So firstly we will see run the job again. Okay, so what is mean by its meaning? Means if it's this job is passed now. Okay, its job is passed now. Then if you are to run this job again, then click on this. Okay, run again. Okay, run this job again. Okay, after that let's go in the pipeline editor. And after that I want to forcefully fill this job. Okay, so let me copy this and I will add another job and give here job name as a 2 and give second job. Okay, and here I will forcefully fill this job. Commit the changes and see in the pipeline. Go inside that now and see this job is running. If you have to cancel this job, then click on this cancel job. Okay, when it's currently running. Okay, you will be cancelled. Means its job will be cancelled. Okay, then we see the how to retry the job. And no, we don't see this point. I will see you in a couple of minutes. And this point is it. If you are to erase the job log, then you want to erase the job log, then you can remove the your job. Okay. So see here, this job is failed. Okay, this job is failed. Then see, go inside the job or simply you can see click on this retry button. Means when we can retry the job, that time job is failed. Okay, that time job is failed, you can retry it. Okay, all right here. Okay, now next point is job status. Okay, now we have to see this job status like a failed, warning, pending, running, cancelled, success was passed, or one is created. Okay, these are the status of the job. So see here. So this status is pass means success. This status is failed. Okay, this one is retry. Here we were see past status, we see running status and spell status. When we get the warning status, at that time we get the issue or warning were encountered during the job execution. That time we get the warning. Okay, means that result will be not did not result in the completely failure. That time we get it. And when we get the pending, the job is waiting to be picked up and executed by runner. That time we get the pending job. Okay, and when we get the cancel, when job execution was cancelled before it completed, that time we can see the status of the cancel. Okay, and when we get it created, the job was created but not started yet, running yet. That time we see this status created in our this stages point. Okay, we will see the status. Okay, after that next point is don't use the keyword as a job name in the GitLab CI. So in the GitLab CI configuration, job name must be unique and certain keywords reserved, meaning they cannot be used as a job names. Okay. So see step by step. It means what? The attempting to use keywords as a job names will result error and unexpected behavior in your CI/CD pipeline configuration. That's why we don't use these keywords. Okay. So see what is meaning of the keywords. So see here. Then first one, image. Specify the Docker image to use the execution environment for that job. When we use the Docker image, that time we use the this image keywords. Next one, services. Defines additionally services should be linking the job Docker container. Okay. After that, stages. These stages order list of stages that determines the sequence in jobs are executed. After that, types. In that type, specify the types of the job like deploy, build, stage, build, test, deploy, or production, like that. These stages mentioned in that stages. Okay. Sorry, types. And in that stages, we can mention the uh, one stage, after that second stage, after that third stage, we can define in that stage keyword. Okay. In the before script, in that before script, we can use the before or after script, we can use the shell command that run before of the each job or after that the each job. That time we can use the before and after script. Okay. Variables. In that variables defines the variables that used to within jobs configuration. We can see here. Next one is cache. Cache specifies the files or directory that should be cached between jobs runs. Okay. After that, include. Include its external CI/CD configuration into current pipeline. Okay. Then true and false. It is a condition of the true or false. When we can use it's a boolean values. Okay. Next point is group jobs in GitLab CI pipeline. So in that group jobs, see here, grouping jobs in CI/CD pipelines is helpful way to organize related jobs together and display them as a single unit in pipeline graph. How we can create using this slash, colon or space. So see here, these are the three jobs in one group. Okay. These are the three jobs in one group. Okay. So see here, this is a build Java group. It's a one group, and in that under the three groups are present. Okay. Three jobs are present. Then see it's separated by slash. Okay. Instead of slash, you can use this colon, or simple you can use the space. Okay. If you are use here slash, okay, all these jobs, instead of this you can use colon. If you are 2:3 or 3 space 3, like that you can use. Okay. So let's see, let me copy this and paste in our firstly pipeline editor, and copy these jobs. Okay. So here I will remove stage here. Now click on this commit changes. Go to pipeline. Go inside that and see here. This is a one group build Java. Okay, when you are clicking on this, here another three jobs present inside the one group. Okay, so this 1 by 3 build Java 1 by 3, build Java 2 by 3, build Java 3 by 3. Okay, and this job is under the stage. Okay, it's a by default stage. Okay, so see here all our jobs are running here. Okay, so now see next point, how you can hide the job. So here two ways you can, using two ways you can hide the job. First one, commenting out the job configuration, or second way using jobs name starting with dot. Okay, so let me see you. So firstly go inside that pipeline editor and simply here I will use remove the groups, remove this, use as a Java. Here I will use Java name as a Ruby, build Ruby. In here, give the Python. And here also change Ruby, Python. Now I want to committing means hide the job, particular job is hiding here. So here I will use hash commenting here the job and see. Or simply you can use the dot at the beginning of the job name. Okay, simply you can use dot. So let's check one, comment the changes and see now in that pipelines you can see only two jobs are running. This job is hiding. Okay, so see here. Now what we have to do? It's job failed. Let me check it firstly. Line number 2. Okay, line number 2 we get the error. Okay, the colon is missing here. That's why we get the end job. Now it's commit changes and go in that the job pipelines. Sorry. Again failed the job. What getting is wrong here? Again here column. Sorry. Now it's correct now. And go inside that pipeline. Now it's running. Okay. See. And your both job Java and Ruby both jobs here running. Okay. See the status. Okay, and our another build Python it's hiding. Okay, it's not running by using the commenting out. Okay, and after that you can simply give the dot before the job name. Okay, so this point is completed, and last point is stages in GitLab CI. So what is meant by stages? Stages is a keyword is used to define the stages used by the jobs in the CI CD pipeline. The order of element stages define the order of executions. Okay, so see, firstly let me copy this stages and jobs and go to pipeline editor and edit this pipeline. Okay. After that, see, this is a stage. Okay. This is a stage. In that stage, we have to three stages are here. In that stage, three stages are we mention here. Which one? Build, stage, and deploy. And here in that job 1, job 2, job 3, and job 4. Here we have 4 jobs. Okay. And in that 4 jobs, we mention the stage. Which stage? Build stage. Here build stage. In the second job, build step. And third job, test stage. And fourth one, deploy stage. Okay. So first one, when we executing or committing the changes, that time first time build this job 1 and job 2 mention the stage as a build. These both stage jobs are running or executing parallelly, which means what? They can run simultaneously, taking advantage of the multi-runner environment. Okay. After the completely pass this job 1 and job 2, go after that go to the next stage. Which one? Test. Okay. So after that, this stage is next stage is test. Only after the jobs of the previous stage completed. Which one previous stage? This build stage. Okay. So this ensures the pipeline progress in sequential one. Means one stage is completed. After that, one stage is completed. Next stage is test stage. This stage is completed. Next stage is deploy stage. Okay, like that. So you will see. Firstly, you have to commit and go in that pipeline and go inside that and see build stage, test stage, and deploy stage. So first one is this job 1 and job 2, both are running in parallel. This stage is completed, is this stage is pending now. Okay, and after that it will be running in some few minutes. See here, now it's running. After that, this one is created stage. It's up to here. This stage is not passed. That time, this stage is not running or this stage is not pending. Okay, its stage is completely passed now. This stage is running now. Okay, like that. These are the advantage of the stages. Okay, so see here now it will be running, and in the few minutes it's passed. By using this stages keyword, you can structure your CI/CD pipeline in clear way or organized manner. Ensure the job executed appropriately and efficiently. Okay. So in this way, we will learn GitLab CI jobs and stages. So thank you for the watching video.